I need you to back up.
You need to calm him. I need you to back up.
Come here.
No.
I got him. Come here.
No, you need to understand. Hands off me.
This retired firefighter just spent 10 minutes performing CPR to save a gunshot victim's life. But instead of thanking him, this detective decided to dislocate his shoulder. Why? Because the firefighter hurt his feelings. This is the story of Joseph Garces, a hero who learned the hard way that saving a life doesn't protect you from a police officer's ego. On October 9, 2020, Joseph Garces was driving through Santa Paula, California, when he saw a man lying in a pool of blood. He didn't keep driving. He stopped. He is a retired firefighter with 27 years of service. He jumped out and immediately started CPR on the gunshot victim.
Don't go to the car. Don't go to that car. Stay over here. Stay over here. Stay over here. Come over here. That's your car?
That's my car. I was driving by. I saw him. I'm a retired firefighter.
Okay.
I'm not a part of this.
We don't know anything about that. We see a gun in the car. You're not going there. Do you have your ID?
It's in the car.
What's your name?
Joe Garces.
Joe Garces, you got to relax, okay? We know you're helping us out.
Wait, but you guys aren't listening either. That's part of the problem. Yeah.
So I said we appreciate your being involved. Okay. We're just running.
That's his knife. I took it out of his pocket to cut his shirt off.
And that's your vehicle?
Yeah, I was driving north. I saw the lady. They were looking this way, and I saw him down, and I thought it was beer or something. Spun around and came in, saw the blood. She said they were calling 911. I screamed, has he been shot? She said, yeah, it was. I was pulling in.
Okay.
Saw the gunshot wound to the side of his face. I did a quick check, found the gun in his waistband, rendered it useless, stuck it inside my car, grabbed his knife, cut off his shirt, and then you guys started showing up.
Okay. Did you see anybody running, anybody leaving the area, anything?
When the first uniformed officers arrived, everything was fine. They treated Garces with respect. They knew he was a witness and a first responder. But then, Detective Rivera arrived.
Huh?
So I got a crime scene, sir. I'm a detective.
Yeah, and I'm here helping him, so step the off. Okay? If you're a good detective, you wouldn't be yelling at me right now. You'd be taking care of your job.
Over here.
Yeah, you. I can't get the out of here.
Get out of my crime scene! Rivera, get out of my crime scene!
What are you going to do to me?
Get out of my crime scene! I'm going to make you next time. Get out of my crime scene!
Come with me, Mr. Garces. Mr. Garces.
That's my...
Come with me, Mr. Garces.
Legally, police have the right to secure a crime scene, but watch carefully. Mr. Garces complies. He walks away. He moves all the way to the public sidewalk.
When do I get my car back then? Hey, tell them... Thank you for teaching me not to be helpful, you fat piece.
You have to step back. Step back. Step back. Step back. Step back. Step back. I don't know who you're.
Oh yeah, so now you're gonna come over with me, huh? You're doing a really good job right now, aren't you?
This is the turning point. Mr. Garces is standing on a public sidewalk, posing no threat. He exercises his First Amendment right to criticize the officer's rude behavior. Detective Rivera had a choice: ignore the mean words and investigate the shooting, or abandon the crime scene to attack the witness.
I need you to back up.
You need to calm him. I need you to back up.
Come here.
No.
I got him. Come here.
No, you need...
He chose his ego. He left the actual crime scene just to punish the man who disrespected him.
Get your hands off me. Really, the paint compliance, that's what we need to do? Because you don't like me talking.
What's his name?
Take it down a notch.
You can take
Take
it down
a notch.
Somebody here's not
Take
controlling
it
themselves
down.
into you.
Take a deep breath.
Don't be a hypocrite.
I've taken a deep breath. It's your turn now.
Yeah, don't be a
You
hypocrite.
want to talk like adults? I'll let you go. You
Okay,
want to talk
did
like
you
adults?
start talking to me like an adult?
Do you understand how I need to
Do
do
you
my
see
job?
what you're doing wrong?
If you know how to do this job and you have a badge, then you would understand. Now, do you want to
It's
go for
so
148
would-
if you
it's
have
so-
a badge?
It's so
Do you
would
have a badge?
Yes,
Are you
I do.
retired?
Yes.
Do you want to go for 148 for being in a crime scene? Just because sergeants at patrol don't know how to do their job, and you were a
You're
cop
saying
at
your
one time-
sergeant doesn't know how to do his job?
Take him. Turn him around.
Rivera uses a technique called a C-clamp and wrenches Garces' arm behind his back with massive force. Remember, Garces is 54 years old. The result? A dislocated shoulder and a torn labrum that required major surgery, all because he told the officer he was being rude. Let's look at the law. Under Graham versus Connor, force must be reasonable. Severity of crime. Garces committed no crime. He was a witness. Immediate threat. He was unarmed and standing still. Resisting arrest. He wasn't even under arrest when the force was used. By every legal standard, this was an assault under the color of law.
Where's your badge at?
In my Jeep, like I keep saying, but
Where
you
at
won't
your
listen.
Jeep? We're adding your Jeep.
You will see it when you look
Do
in
you
the
want
front
your
of
car?
Jeep.
Do you want me to have to write a search warrant and keep it, or do you want to keep your car? Do you want to get home as soon as possible?
I'm not talking anymore.
Okay. Sink them in this car right here.
64. What's your first name?
Joe.
Joe.
Hey, check that out. I stopped to help somebody who's been shot. I'm getting arrested.
Have a seat for a second.
Just so you know, I'm retired because of PTSD.
Got it.
Major anxiety problems.
Got it.
Being in handcuffs doesn't help me. I know you guys got to do it. Keep away from me.
You got it.
He is accelerating this way more than I am.
I won't let him talk to you anymore. You want the windows down or anything? How
Can we just sit right here with me, the door open? I ain't going anywhere, dude. You guys all know
I'll
where
sit
I
right here
live.
for now.
I mean, I know what you guys do. I mean, I did it with you for 27 years in Oxnard, not Santa Paula.
Right.
To have that happen, that's as unprofessional as anything I did, and a cop shouldn't lose it like that. You and I both know that.
Do me a favor, just sit here for now.
No problem. Well, they know that. I already told the first couple guys here that there's a gun on the floor of of the driver.
Okay.
Oh, dude, this is gonna freak me out. Come back quick.
I'll roll down the windows.
I
a little
can't
bit.
stand this.
Okay. And what was your last name, sir?
Garces.
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 Okay. And you're detained right now. Okay. You're not under arrest. All right, man.
Yeah, I totally get it.
Cool.
They held the man who saved the victim's life in the back of a squad car for 15 minutes like a criminal. Eventually, they realized they had messed up and released him without charges, but the damage was done.
Absolutely. Hey, Cap, can we get some decontamination for a guy in the back of the car here? He was doing CPR, got blood on him. I got the fire captain coming over to decontaminate. I don't know. I've been standing over here. This is the one that needs decontaminated. Cap, he has blood on him. Yeah, he's actually a witness, but he was doing CPR when we came up, and we had to.
Where's the blood on him? Do you know?
I don't know.
Okay.
Probably on his hands.
So I think afterwards, the other cop said to not worry about it. To I don't know. But.
I'm good with that.
Garces sued the city and Detective Rivera, but here is the shocking part. In 2023, a federal judge granted Detective Rivera qualified immunity. The judge ruled that while the force might have been excessive, there wasn't a specific prior court case that said using a C-clamp on a witness was illegal. Because the law wasn't clearly established on that specific move, Rivera could not be personally sued in federal court. However, the state law claims for battery and negligence were allowed to move forward against the city. Let's grade this interaction. Mr. Garces gets an A. He stopped to save a stranger's life and stood up to a tyrant. Detective Rivera gets an F. He prioritized his fragile ego over the investigation of an attempted murder. Do you think qualified immunity should protect officers who break the bones of innocent heroes? Let me know in the comments.